Most people get this wrong when setting up their LLC. They pick a random virtual office address just because it looks cheap. And then they run into bank rejections, compliance issues, or even business credibility problems later. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your virtual office address can directly affect your LLC approval, your business bank account, and how legitimate your company looks in 2026. In this video, you'll learn the best virtual office addresses for an LLC in 2026, how to choose the right one, and what actually matters so you don't waste money or get your application rejected. Let's get straight into it. First, what is a virtual office address? It's a real street address that you can use for your LLC instead of your home address. It helps you stay private, receive official mail, and present a professional business image. But here's where most people fail. Not all virtual addresses are accepted by banks, Stripe, or government agencies. Now, let's talk about what actually makes a good virtual office address. The first factor is compliance. Some states and providers offer mail-only addresses that banks instantly reject. For example, if Alex registers an LLC in Wyoming, but uses a low-quality mailbox service, his bank may flag it as high risk. So you need a real commercial office address, not just a PO box disguised as one. The second factor is reputation. A virtual office in a well-known business district carries more trust. Think places like New York, Delaware, Texas, or Florida. If John is applying for a payment gateway, a premium business address can improve approval chances because it signals stability. Now here are the top types of virtual office setups that actually work in 2026. First, premium registered agent bundles. These include your LLC formation and a real business address. They are the safest option for beginners because everything is compliant and integrated. Second, co-working-based virtual offices. These give you a real office presence and sometimes even meeting room access. This is useful if you plan to open a bank account or meet clients. Third, standalone virtual office providers. These are cheaper but require careful selection. This is where most people get stuck, because not all of them are accepted by banks. Now here's where it gets interesting. The address alone is not enough. Banks and platforms also check consistency. That means your LLC, IN, bank application, and website should all match the same business identity. If there's mismatch, even a premium address won't help. So what should you actually do? Start with a reputable registered agent or co-working-based virtual office. Avoid unknown, cheap mailbox services. Make sure your provider confirms bank acceptance. Then keep your business details consistent everywhere. To wrap it up, the best virtual office address for your LLC in 2026 is not just about location. It's about compliance, credibility, and consistency. If you get these three right, everything else becomes much easier. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your state or country, and subscribe for more clear, practical business guides like this.